My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that is claiming to be some sort of Windows support alert. It is also known as Windows Firewall Protection Alert, but this is obviously a fake alert. It is not related to Windows and it is not related to Microsoft. This fake alert comes from the random website. This website is indeed random, and today or tomorrow its name may be changed into some other website which will be displaying similar scary messages. The website indicates that you have done something wrong, and because of that your computer is now infected by some malware. But this information is absolutely faulty, and of course, indeed, it is scary. The website quotes some telephone number +1 844 963 0772. The pop-up indicates that this number is directly related to Windows support, but in reality, this is the fake number. It is not related to Windows support. There are some online criminals who stand behind these pop-ups, and they try to scare you even more. If you call this number, you will hear some people that will tell you that your computer is horribly infected with some serious malware and that you need to pay money to get it fixed. So do not ever call this fake Windows support number. +1 844 963 0772 is a fake Windows support number. Typically, these pop-ups may be the result of some adware to be concealed in your computer, so if you see these alerts, do not trust them and do not call this telephone number. We recommend you to first of all carefully research the control panel of your computer and try to uninstall any suspicious programs if you find them. So right-click on them and uninstall them in the regular manner. If you see something suspicious, get rid of it. We also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get its latest version is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.